Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're going to go over gold as price has failed to break any lower. So we were looking at gold for a while now. We discussed the potential for the market to bounce from the previous highs and rally to the upside. And what we had was, or what we looked for was the fact that price had recently broken out of this structure point, and we were looking for that to be our instigator for higher prices. This candlestick here then was the news of a vaccine last week, which caused the gold prices to sell off. We had some further vaccine news, but from a different company this time. However, gold didn't react in the same way. This makes me think that gold is still very much a market that I want to be a buyer of. So if we just kind of take a look at this from a technical point of view, we can see that price continues to bounce from this 1860, 1861 level. This was the level that we were watching before, in case price did trade below it and on the election. And if price did trade below, we were looking for a bit of a drop further in order to look for long opportunities, because we were wanting to buy on the seasonal fact that towards the end of November, start of December, gold typically looks to rally. And price just stayed above 1860, which is great because we want to be looking for that seasonal play. So how we can look at this now is that price is just continuing to find some support. What we need to see is some kind of high come out of this. Now, obviously, we did get that breakout higher. Unfortunately for us, there was that headline news that was took the market by surprise, and we saw that dip to the downside. So what we can look for is a nice change in cycle on the daily time frame. So what I'll be watching for here is, if this market going to act as, or this move here acts as a double bottom. If we start breaking back above that sort of $1,900 area, then I'm happy to start looking for those long positions. Now, to kind of confirm, I suppose, that longer term move, we could look for this sort of breakout of this trend line as well. So prices of that sit around about 1955. If we can get above 1955, then we've got another good run up to form here. Now, the dollar's looking very bearish. The amount of times the dollar index has retested sort of the $92 area and not broken to the downside yet, but the amount of times it's tested suggests to me that we are going to see a breakout there at some point, which could also add fuel to gold moving to the upside. But for me, at the moment, gold is a potential long opportunity. I like the fact that we're at 1860 still. Let's wait for some further confirmation, some new highs to be formed around about that $1,900 level. If we can break out of that, that'll be a great level to look for further long opportunities on this commodity.